Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you how to make cream cheese strawberry danishes. These heart-shaped strawberry danishes are perfect for Valentine's Day. Do give this a try for Valentine's Day for your partner, and trust me, you're gonna win so many hearts making this one. So let's get baking. First of all, to make the Danish pastry dough, first you have to combine butter and flour and sugar together. Here I'm sieving flour and sugar together using a siever. And once you've sifted all of these together, next add some cubed unsalted butter to it. I'm adding cold cubed unsalted butter because cold butter really combines everything together and makes your dough really crispy. Use your hands so that they have a perfect breadcrumb like mixture. And once it's all crumbly, you next want to add some cold water and bring it all together so that you have a perfectly soft Danish pastry dough. However, this is completely optional. You can use a store-bought Danish pastry dough as well. That will save you so much time. And then you just want to dust some flour over it and roll it over a dusted flour surface. You just want to roll it so that it's about half-inch thickness on the sides. And once you've rolled it completely, you can see specks of butter showing inside. Now this is a sign that you have a perfect Danish pastry dough. Use a heart-shaped cookie cutter to cut out hearts here. You can use any other shape of cookie cutter. Just because it's Valentine's Day, so I'm using heart-shaped cookie cutter here. And once you've cut it out, place all these heart-shaped cookies on a lined baking dish. Next, use a sharp knife or a fork to just score another heart inside of these hearts. Now this is what makes danishes so special, because they have another heart inside of it and they have a filling inside it, which makes these danishes super delicious French pastry which everyone loves. Now for the filling, I'm simply going to combine some cream cheese along with some simple strawberry jam. Just combine all of this using a fork and then add just dollops of it over your Danish pastries. And they are ready. All you have to do next is just brush some egg wash along the sides. Also top with some fresh strawberries. Brushing egg wash along the sides of these Danish pastries make them really golden brown and crispy after they come out baked from the oven. And once you've brushed egg wash all around it, you just want to bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. You just want to bake them at the required temperature and these will be ready in no time. They're so easy and perfect. And there you go, these easy strawberry danishes are ready. They are heart shaped and so delicious. Do make them for your partner and also for kids, because everyone is gonna fall for this one. Do give this a try and let me know how you enjoyed watching this recipe. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section below. Also find the full recipe in the description box below. Happy baking everyone. Happy Valentine's Day.